This tutorial help you to migrate WordPress website from one server to another, also migrate website from local host to live server without any plugin in. Most important thing is do not delete theme or any other files in the host, delete only unused plugins and themes. This method useful to migrate website in low efficiency servers like GoDaddy starter hosting. 7 steps in this method. 1. Connect domain to hosting. 2. Exporting SQL Database. 3. Creating FTP Access. 4. Uploading files. 5. Creating SQL Database using cPanel wizard. 6. Importing SQL Database. 7. Editing config files. Add your domain to hosting, update DNS when the domain needed, because website will be hidden until you update DNS name server. Search domains in cPanel, click Add on Domain, enter domain name in New Domain section. Don't forget to add public underscore before website directory path. Click File Manager to access website directory. Go to My PHP Admin. If you are in cPanel, search PHP My Admin and log in. Choose the database, choose Export. Export and save it. To create FTP Access, search FTP in cPanel and choose FTP Accounts, create login credentials. Endpoint destination directory. Click Create FTP Account. Open FTP software, I'm using FileZilla. Enter login credentials and click Connect. Go to Domain folder and zip all files in your website directory, and download. These files unzip in new server, I'm in local server, so no need to download files. I'm using FileZilla to upload file. Upload zip file and extract into new directory. Reload domain folder to view uploaded zip file. Extract file. Delete the zip file after extracting files. Back to cPanel to create SQL Database to import database backup. Search SQL in cPanel and choose MySQL Database Wizard. Enter new database name, new database username and password. Click Create User and enable all privileges to the user. Click Make Changes. This is the new database name and database username. Open wp-config file in your website directory, find and replace database details with new credential and save change. Back to cPanel and search PHP, choose phpMyAdmin. Click the database created for the website, and choose Import. Choose SQL Backup File and click Go. SQL database file successfully imported and website is ready to launch for public. Change the DNS name of domain name to enable public view.